So I really appreciate VICTON for this. It's nice. It's a change of pace. It's enjoyable.
Player, this pimp don't lie. How many rap stars you know that went to Berkeley High? I'm always with a cup of bourbon. I'm in here choosing, you up here searching.
Welcome to the show, everybody. It's me, Ben, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're reacting to VICTON, Howling. I'm pretty sure I've only reacted to VICTON once on the channel thus far, but goodness gracious, I saw so much promo for this on Twitter and Instagram as well, but mainly on Twitter when this dropped. And why is this happening to me? It's fine, my finger hurts all of a sudden. I also have the worst case of morning voice I think I've ever experienced today, but we're gonna be fine. We're gonna get into this video and get a reaction out for you guys, because there were so many people tagging me, VICTON, 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 Ben, you gotta get to it, VICTON, VICTON. So we're here now. This is why we're doing this today. I was gonna actually put this reaction off and react to it in another day or two, but there were so many people saying, you gotta do it, that we're here now, we're ready. We're gonna hop into this. We're gonna have some fun. I'm excited. Hopefully you are as well. Thank you once again for all your support, for constantly tagging me in things that you want me to react to. I appreciate y'all very much, and massive shout out to the Discord for reminding me that I needed to react to this. We're gonna hop into this video though. I'm gonna shut up. 3, 2, 1. Click play. Not really sure what to expect with this. Ooh. Okay. And I will say, we don't have English captions yet, y'all. We've only got Korean auto-generated. So that's not the best, but we'll do our best to survive. Ooh, that was smooth as hell. So swapping between these two members here. It's gonna be extra confusing because I don't have lyrics. So y'all are gonna have to help me out in the comments with translations, if possible. But these outfits are it though. Damn. Are those leopard print? You know, typically we wait for the rap a little bit, but we'll start with it. VICTON, let's go. Oh, that's actually super smooth. I just want to listen to that again. Hit me. What is this song about with the crotch grab? Goodness gracious. That blue hair is fire. Wait, is this the chorus? Go back. I didn't even realize. Yes, it is the chorus. Nice. That's very smooth. I like this so far. Camera movement so far is a masterclass. Every time they do anything choreo related where it involves them sort of moving or sort of rolling their bodies, the camera is also doing the same thing, and it makes it look so cool. See what I mean? The cuts in and out as well. That's so dope. What was the thing that he burned though? I didn't see what that was. It looks like a card of some sort. But that was a fish in the glass. I don't know what that means, but that's what just happened. Hit me with those vocals, boy. You know what this reminds me of? This visual, at least the gold and the light, it reminds me of that one, oh shoot, I don't even remember what it was called. Wasn't it a Golden Child video? I'm gonna sound like an idiot if I'm wrong, but this kind of reminds me of that. Anyway. Ooh! Back with the rap again, let's go! Oh my goodness, the arms are out. Oh my goodness gracious, hello? Can y'all let me live? Like, I'm still very new to y'all, you're kind of killing me here. This is fun. What does his tattoo say? And is that an actual tattoo, or is it like one of the fake ones? I know a lot of times Korean artists will get fake tattoos for music videos because a lot of times the view of tattoos over in Korea isn't very positive, it seems. So let me know. That beat really just comes right back in there. Is that a pomegranate now that I'm thinking about it? I think it's supposed to like represent maybe a heart, but I'm pretty sure it's a pomegranate. That's a dope transition into the choreo. The other thing about this that I'm noticing is there's a lot of cameras, there's a lot of TVs, there's a lot of mics. So the overall theme seems to be like surveillance almost. Or just the act of being filmed in the first place. So I don't really know what that means, especially because we don't have lyrics. If we had lyrics, it might be a little bit easier, but... Oh! I don't know how they did that is the thing. How did they make the light sort of gleam like that? Is it just because the floor is surrounded by these sort of crystal looking things and it just sort of makes it look like that in the camera? I don't know, but it looks amazing. That's a very interesting choice. So this is not the first time we've seen this technique. A lot of times I just still don't understand why it's used, because we lower the FPS on a clip to the point where, like, frames per second, for those that don't know, we lower like the frames on the clip to make it look almost like slow, but I don't understand. Is it supposed to represent like he's out of his mind right now or something? I don't know. Like, it just looks really awkward when you have all these beautiful slow panning shots in the music video, and then you've got this part for like 3 seconds where the video just goes, whoa, dude, what's happening? Anyway, so not my cup of tea, but I would like to know why they use that there. It's interesting. Oh, those eyes? And before this continues, what I'll say is, this whole song has been exciting, but at the same time still calming. Does that make sense? I feel like a lot of the songs that have been released recently that are coming out are typically like very exciting, but also like kind of harsh. So having a song that is kind of like relaxed is almost like very comforting to me. So I really appreciate VICTON for this. It's nice. It's a change of pace. It's enjoyable. Oh, that looks so sick with the confetti there too. Ugh. We're gonna appreciate that high note once again in a moment. I was gonna talk about the crotch grab and then I didn't get a chance to talk about it, because that was a bit aggressive, wasn't it, gentlemen? Yes, it was a bit aggressive. High note time, let's go. Wow. Yeah, y'all let me know which member's singing that high note. That's probably my bias. It always ends up being the vocalist, doesn't it, Ben? Actually, that's not true at all. There are plenty of groups that my bias is the rapper. It's just kind of a meme at this point that whoever sings the high notes, I'm whipped for, at least in some capacity. Damn, bro. He snapped right there. We love a high note ad lib. Ooh, they made that look super rough as well. Like the touch on the shoulder there. Hold on, do it one more time, just because that looks super dope. Damn, it looks like he's like actually like stopped by the arm. Oh, so that's where we started the music video, right? He's walking that way and then he turns towards us and he falls. I did not realize that that was a cliff there. But that is VICTON, Howling. Did this come with a music video? Let me check. VICTON. Not a music video, did it come with an album? It did. 5 songs. I'll have to check that out over on Patreon, which is where I do all of my album reviews, for those of you that don't know. I have no idea if I'll have time to get to that today on Patreon, but I should be able to get to it by tomorrow at the latest. I have so much work to catch up on. Goodness gracious. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Shout out to the VICTON boys. This was super awesome. And like I said, overall, really enjoyable song. Loved the music video. It's tough for me when I don't have captions because I'm able to make a lot more connections with the way that the words relate to the visuals on the screen and how things are done. But this time around, alas, not. And that's okay. You know, I'll come back one day and watch it again when there is captions. And I know you guys are always very helpful in the comments below, so leave me some comments. Let me know exactly what's happening. But yeah, that's it for me. Be on the lookout for that album review over on Patreon. I'll catch you guys in the next one, my friends. So until then, love y'all very much, and peace. Bye.